Breaking the bounds. The constricted worldview of poverty. The worldview of the poor is perpetually narrow, as they perceive the world within the confines of their immediate surroundings. Despite technological advances and the reach of television and propaganda, offering glimpses of the wider world, their understanding remains limited. While they may envy and harbor jealousy for advanced and affluent cities and nations, their reluctance to exert effort keeps their worldview confined to a small space. Confined to a small world, impoverished individuals often find it challenging to surpass the boundaries of their small communities or villages, and their knowledge of advanced cities and nations is superficial, grounded in envy. Despite fantasizing about places with advanced technology and prosperous cultures, their lack of willingness to strive hinders them from breaking free of the shackles of poverty. Technology and dreams. Technological progress has opened doors for them to catch a glimpse of a broader world. Television and propaganda provide insights into the prosperity of advanced cities, yet the reluctance to strive prevents them from pursuing a better life. This attitude of conceding to difficulties becomes a cage limiting the development of their worldview. Breaking the shackles. Chasing dreams. If given the opportunity to experience life in advanced cities, they might find it challenging. However, this acceptance of difficulties mindset hampers the expansion of their worldview. Breaking the limits of poverty and chasing broader dreams requires challenging oneself and venturing beyond the comfort zone.